Hello everyone, my name is Effortlessly. Today I'm going to discuss about our facial product that we developed by using generative AI. That is about parsing the bank statement. You will upload a bank statement in PDF file and we will parse the information and give you output in an Excel file. So here is the bank statement actually. This is about the non-structured data. This is the PDF file and we will parse that to the JSON structured data by using our parser. So see that here is the upload interface and we are uploading the bank statement, and as soon as we will upload that, it will take a while to process the data, and here is the final output actually. So this is about the output we can see in there. We can filter by using all, credit and debit, right? See that when I toggled on the debit button, only the debited transaction in there. We can also apply filter, like we want to see only the payment related stuff, then we will apply payment and see that only the payment related information in there, and I want to port only those information, actually those transaction, to the Excel file, and then I will just click on generate Excel. It will take a while, and if I save that and now I open that, so see that, so only the payment related transaction has been exported on the Excel file. So here is the demo actually. So if anyone has any kind of question, definitely mention your comment on the comment section, and also just do a trial and see how does it works. Definitely that will encourage us for better software.